So here's the GoPro Hero version 10, and let's talk about the max lens mode. The max lens mode is available if you swipe down, and it should be here, but currently it's not there, so let's enable it. So after swiping down, swipe to the left also and go here to preferences on the right side, preferences, and we have mods here, that one. Tap on that mods, and max lens mode is set to hide, so tap on that one and set it to show. Okay, now swipe down and back, swipe down, back, and to the right. Okay, and here we have the max lens mode, and let's get out from here first. So currently it's in 4K 60 and it's in the super view mode, and if I enable that max lens mode, then it will not be in 4K but in only 2.7K. 60 frames per second will remain, and super view will be downgraded a little bit, so the field of view will be somewhat less, and stabilization will not be available. So if I swipe down and enable this one, max lens mode enabled, make sure the lens is attached or something like that, which is not, so I'm not using the max lens mode. I'm using the simple normal lens of the version 10 black. Okay, but now it says 2.7K and 4:3 aspect ratio. So before it was 16:9. The 16:9 is not shown, only the 4:3. So the resolution is lower, the frame rate is identical, and super view is still there, but of course it's not that wide. But in this mode I have this horizon lock also. Let's make a test. If I make a video and rotate the camera, it's not too easy, then it's rotating the entire image, as you might see. Now if I enable the horizon lock, like so, horizon lock is on and it's blue. Now if I start the video recording, press the button on the top, now the image will stay on horizontal, it will not rotate. So you might see in the mirror in front of me that the camera is being rotated, but the image of the camera is not rotating. So in max lens view mode, even without the max lens, you have that stabilization, that horizon leveling. You can rotate the camera all around 360 degrees, like so, and the image will stay on horizontal. What the lens does, the max lens, is it recovers your wide angle view. Because of the horizon leveling, the camera has to use only the center of the image, and inside there it can rotate it all around. But to get a wider view, then you must use an even wider lens. So with a standard lens you have super view, but you don't have that horizon locking all around 360 degrees. And to have the wide angle view and the horizon locking, for that you need the lens. So this lens is not wide enough to accomplish both jobs, both the wide angle field of view and the horizon locking. So once again I'm going to start recording and rotate the camera, and this image should stay on horizontal. Of course it will shake because I'm rotating it with one hand, but it will be on horizontal, although I'm rotating it multiple times 360 degrees. Because of this one, the horizon leveling and the max lens mode. If I disable that one, then it will go back to 4K 60 and super view. And rotate the camera, and this image should stay on horizontal. Of course it will shake because I'm rotating it with one hand, but it will be on horizontal, although I'm rotating it multiple times 360 degrees. Now the image will stay on horizontal, it will not rotate. So you might see in the mirror in front of me that the camera is being rotated, but the image of the camera is not rotating. So in max lens view mode, even without the max lens, you have that stabilization, that horizon leveling.